It's a deal many countries have been waiting for. U.S. pharmaceutical firm Pfizer will allow its experimental COVID-19 treatment to be produced and sold in 95 developing nations and won't take any royalties.
The medicine patent pool MPP, which was created by Health Agency United to increase access to medicine for low and middle income countries, is announcing a voluntary license agreement for Pfizer COVID-19 oral antiviral treatment candidate, which is administered in combination with a low dose of ritonavir.
Pfizer says clinical trials of the antiviral medication suggest an 89% reduction in the risk of hospitalization or death in high-risk adult patients.
This is very important because the drug is particularly suited for low and middle income countries. It's easy to produce, it's an oral medicine, so it's potentially easy to take, and it doesn't need to be taken in a hospital setting. That means that, assuming it's approved, this could make a major contribution to saving lives in low and middle income countries.
But immunologists have stressed that the pill isn't a substitute for the COVID-19 vaccine.
The main difference is that the vaccines are a preventive measure. So you get vaccinated and you're protected against severe disease and death and mostly to symptomatic disease for many months and perhaps down to many years. Whereas the drugs have to be given after you contract the virus. So they're sort of the last point of intervention.
If the medication receives regulatory approval, Pfizer's drug could be made available to 53% of the world's population across Africa and Asia. India and South Africa have been fighting for vaccine patents to be waived so they can produce COVID-19 jabs locally. But to date, drug companies and wealthy countries have been unwilling to relinquish control. And although Pfizer's agreement offers hope to millions of people in developing nations, experts say it may not be enough to address gaping inequalities in access to COVID-19 treatments. Rahul Radhakrishnan, TRT World.